Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're gonna be talking about Lordstown Motors, Q3 earnings report. I still like this company. I still am a shareholder, and you know, if this thing drops after earnings like hard, depending on what I hear in the earnings report and depending on what came out, I might buy more or I might sell off my position and cut my losses and then buy in another time. One of the two scenarios, we'll see what happens with the earnings report. But it's not a huge position in my portfolio, and if I lose on this position, I'm not gonna cry because I've had multiple big winners recently, so not a big deal to me. But I'm definitely interested in the earnings report, and I think that if this company can deliver on trucks, I think the stock will get rewarded big time. But we'll see. Only time will tell. They are working with Foxconn right now. I don't know if they're working with Foxconn right now, but they're making a deal with Foxconn right now to sell the factory to them and for Foxconn to come in and help them with the manufacturing of the EV trucks they want to produce. And with Foxconn's help, they could also reduce the expenses because Foxconn will take over the expenses, most of the expenses, anyways. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this earnings report because I'm a shareholder. I think this company has potential if they can deliver on a vehicle. That's my opinion, and I always want to remind you guys, I don't think retail investors move this stock at all. I think institutions, billionaires, big money in the overall moves this stock and not retail investors. That's my opinion. If you say a billionaire is a retail investor, then sure, okay, you know. But I don't really call them retail investors. I call them whales and big money. And most millionaires could be considered retail investors, but I think anything above $100 million, they're basically a mini whale. So that's my opinion. Yeah, those whales are the ones. Rich people and whales are the ones that moves the stock. Recently, Warren Buffett has $149 billion of cash on hand. He can easily buy up this company if he wanted to. He probably won't. He likes profitable businesses. This company is not profitable, and this is like a speculation stock. So, yeah. If we look from a charting perspective, right, it looks like stock is is in an uptrend position from a MACD perspective, but after earnings report, we can see this thing maybe even collapse below $4.78 if the earnings are terrible. But we'll see. Remember Lucid? They enter manufacturing and then they start delivering their cars, and their stock got rewarded big time. It went from like $25 to $41.80. If we look at the amount of outstanding shares they have, 1.62 billion. They got, from $25 to $48. That is like a $35 increase in market cap. $16. 1.6 times 16, $25 billion reward for delivering some cars from big money and retail investors, I guess. More like retail investors are the leech, and it's all big money. So yeah, so Lordstown, $1 billion. Just saying that, if they even get a fraction of what Lucid gets for a reward, this thing could explode easily. And Foxconn has an incentive to help Lordstown produce cars. Just saying. And because they are an investor in this company, and right now they're currently underwater with their position. That's why I think this company will be fine long term, but that's only my opinion. It's still speculation at the end of the day until they start delivering on some cars. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates. Just before I go, I guess I just want to talk a little bit about their Twitter page. They have 26K followers, so there's a decent amount of people following them. The last update was on October 21st. They're showing us their wheel hub motor. They had 240 likes. But the only thing investors care right now is deliveries of their truck. If they can do that, I think their stock will get rewarded big time. My opinion only. Anyways, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe. If you don't want to, you can dislike and give me a thumbs down and unsubscribe. Anyways, have a great day. Bye.